ang ASEAN preparation.
Ma'am, about our ASEAN preps lang. Ma'am, ASEAN preps lang. How are we adjusting in light of the austerity measures by the government? Ma'am, wait, kalma, wait. Kuya, sasagot na eh. Ma'am, ano po yung...
Grabe naman. I think you can give them more news, okay?
Ma'am, preparations po.
ASEAN? Preparation lang po for ASEAN.
Any update on that?
Any adjustment po because of the... Ilocano effect. I heard you couldn't run yesterday. You gave up daw?
Ay, hindi po. Hindi ko alam natatakbo si FCP eh. Si Pangulo, hindi ko alam. Hindi po.
Si HR ako ganun.
Hiningal po sila. Hiningal, ma'am. Hiningal ang mga media.
Hello po.
Kung unconscious na. Sabi mo. Okay po.